Ethereum value equivalent to $3.2643 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $3,211.37 $3,335.92. The earlier day close, $3,329.17. The change was 274, so 8%. Backwards rate, OS to F. Ethereum conjecture for July 2024. At the outset cost at $3.91. Excessive cost $3.837, while low cost $3.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $3.401. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.586. Change for July 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $3.586. Excessive cost $3.816, while low cost $3.316. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $3.571. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3.566. Change for August 0.6%. Ethereum figure for September 2024. Initially cost at $3.566. Excessive cost $42.70, while low cost $3.566. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $3.848. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3.991. Change for September 11.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at $3.991. Exorbitant cost $48.22, while low cost $3.991. The found the middle value of cost $4,328. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,507. Change for October 12.9%. Ethereum estimate for November 2024. To start with cost at $4,507. Exorbitant cost $5,240, while low cost $4,507. The found the middle value of cost $14,788. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,897. Change for November 8.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place cost at $4,897. Exorbitant cost $5,320, while low cost $14,624. The found the middle value of cost $4,953. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $4,972. Change for December 1.5%. Ethereum gauge for January 2025. In the first place cost at $4,972. Exorbitant cost $5,471, while low cost $4,755. The found the middle value of cost $5,078. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $5,113. Change for January 2.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2025. In the first place cost at $5,113. Exorbitant cost $5,525, while low cost $4,803. The found the middle value of cost $5,151. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5,164. Change for February 1%. Ethereum estimate for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at $5,164. Excessive cost $5,701, while low cost $4,955. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $5,287. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,328. Change for spring 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else cost at $5,328. Excessive cost $5,712, while low cost $49.64. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $5,336. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,338. Change for April 2%. Ethereum conjecture for May 2025. To start with cost at $5,338. Exorbitant cost $5,863, while low cost $5,095. The found the middle value of cost $5,444. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5,479. Change for May 6%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at $5,479. Exorbitant cost $16,670, while low cost $5,479. The found the middle value of cost $5,966. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $16,234. Change for June 13.8%. Ethereum estimate for July 2025. First and foremost cost at $16,234. Excessive cost $6,747, while low cost $5,865. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6,288. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 6,306. Change for July 2%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2025. Initially cost at $6,306. Excessive cost 78.27, while low cost 6,306. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 69.39. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 7,315. Change for August 16%. Ethereum figure for September 2025. Initially cost at $7,315. Excessive cost $7,315, while low cost $16,295. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $69.24. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $6,769. Change for September 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2025. Before all else cost at $6,769. Excessive cost $16,769, while low cost $5,288. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $6,128. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,686. Change for October 16%. Ethereum conjecture for November 2025. Before all else cost at $5,686. Exorbitant cost $7,058, while low cost $5,686. They found the middle value of cost $6,257. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,596. Change for November 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at $6,596. Excessive cost $6,596, while low cost $5,244. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $6,019. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,639. Change for December 14.5%. Ethereum conjecture for January 2026. Before all else cost at $5,639. Excessive cost $5,639, while low cost $48.52. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $5,337. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,217. Change for January 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at $5,217. Excessive cost $6,476, while low cost $5,217. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $5,741. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $6,052. Change for February 16%. Ethereum conjecture for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at $6,052. Excessive cost $6,052, while low cost $4,728. The arrived at the midpoint